Hi everyone, it's Alvin and Elizabeth from The Right Move.
Today, in our latest episode on newly MOP HDBs, we are bringing on a tour of this very well-kept, high-floor, 5-room unit here in Rivervale Delta in Sengkang. Let's go!
This home we are showing you today has one of our favourite 5-room layouts. Here's why. We have the bomb shelter tucked away in the corner, and what that does is giving us the kitchen and the dining room fully alongside one another. This is different from the typical 5-room layouts where you have your bomb shelter located over here by the walkway. This huge uninterrupted space gives us a blank canvas to create beautiful spaces like this. As it is, the long living room of 6 meters with a full row of 3/4 height windows gives us plenty of natural light. And if you need to create an extra bedroom or study, you could easily partition out this area to create something like that.
Over in the kitchen, we have plenty of countertop space made from quartz for easy maintenance. And I like how all the kitchenware is tucked over on one side where we can do our cooking and cleaning, while on the other side we have a 2.6 meter long countertop for you to do your food prep or add on to your kitchen equipment collection.
Over in the bedrooms, as this home is only occupied by a couple, the common bedrooms are barely used. With no built-in whatsoever, you can design it however you like. The master bedroom is where we have a little more built-in, but it's done in a very simple yet elegant manner to maximize the space around the bed.
So all in all, our favourite parts of this unit is its excellent condition, layout, and of course, location. Let's take a look. Rivervale Delta is located within the most mature vale of the 4 vales that make up Sengkang. The benefits of being in the most mature part of Sengkang is of course the amenities. We have a mini-mart, clinic, bakery, and coffee shop right across the road, and Rivervale Mall with NTUC and Food Junction just a short walk away. But the biggest reason why Rivervale remains one of the most sought after parts of Sengkang is its connectivity. Be it by LRT to Sengkang MRT in 2 stops, buses that bring you to every part of Singapore, or driver's access to highways.
Thank you for joining us on this home tour today. So please help us like and subscribe as it will help out our channel a ton. Till next time,
Bye.
Bye.